great topic for you tonight, and I would like for you to leave me your comments and your feedback in the comment section to let me know if you like it. You could give me a thumbs up if you want to, or a thumbs down if you don't like it, and whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe because it is getting juicy around here. So what I want to talk to you about is the baby mama drama. That's right, the baby mama drama. So what I want to talk about is this. These are some questions that I'm going to put out there to you. Do you have any baby mama drama? Is your ex constantly calling you, threatening you, harassing you? Do they need extra money? Or is your ex jealous over your mate that you have, be it man or woman? It doesn't matter. And what kind of flack is your mate receiving? Because maybe you have the children, and the baby mama drama is coming over there because the baby mama feels that you and your mate is trying to be a mother to her children, and that's a problem. Or vice versa. What if if the baby mama got the kids and you're trying to see your children and she's giving you a hard time? Answer those questions. So let me tune in on the situation, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna give you an example. I know of this guy, and I'm gonna give another example of a woman. And this guy, he moved in with this woman that had several children. And, he was very attentive to her children's needs. Why? Because he's right there so that the child can have plenty of access for him. Oh, I need this, can I have that? Or the woman can say, oh, Joey needs some shoes, or Mary needs to get her hair done. And of course he has to most of the time say yes because he's there under pressure. Meanwhile, his children was cross town and he seen them every now and then. He felt all he could do for them was pay the child support, and that was it. And half of the time that was late, and they didn't get that for many weeks at times and stuff like that. So that's a problem, right? Because that affects his children. And it affects his children because his children know that he's over there playing daddy to somebody else's kids while they are daddyless. Yes. And then let's get another example. A woman who may feel like she doesn't have to do much in terms of supporting her children because her mama got her kids, or her aunt have her kids, and she doesn't have custody of her kids. And that's a problem, because now you're gonna abuse your own family like that, who stepped up to the plate so that your children can be raised by family. I mean, seriously, you need to get out and work 2 or 3 jobs to help with your children, because who knows, maybe you can clean up your act and get your kids back. And wouldn't you want to be proud and say that you did all you could to help your children? But why give your mother who's raising your kids the baby mama drama? I mean, really, for real, okay? That is your mother, first of all. Second of all, she is doing you a favor so that at least you can lift your head up high about the situation. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, what about the idea that the kids can't call the other parent because the other parent, which is the baby mama drama, okay, or the baby mama daddy drama, don't want them to call them because that's gonna rattle the wife, the girlfriend, the boyfriend. I mean, really, you know, we really need to think about what's in the best interest for the child. Have your children to come over to your house so that they're comfortable with being over there. And yes, they may go back and say that, you know, you have 5 TVs over there, or the refrigerator was full of food over there. They may go back and gossip, yes, and say a lot of things. But the bottom line is, at least they had an opportunity to come over. They felt part of that family, okay? And that's what you really want. You want to unite everyone together. And whatever you do, right? Think about this. If you don't like the drama, don't have any more kids. The more kids you have, the more drama you have, the less money you have to spread around, you know, and really, how does that benefit anybody? Does it benefit you? Does it benefit the children? I don't think so. And since you're over there with your mate and your mate's children, at least be the best man you can be on both sides. That's what I say. Because you are a father figure or a mother figure to your mate's children. So why not be the best you can be? You know, try to support them mentally, physically, on all ends. And help your mate to understand that, you know, you only have so much to go around, and you gotta make sure that you're doing the best you can for the family. And with that tune, I'm looking forward to hearing your comments. Please let me know how you feel about it. Let's have a dialogue going. I'd like to do some more of these talk shows so that we can bring some issues to surface, and maybe between your comments and my knowledge that we can solve some problems and maybe satisfy some kids and make them happy, because that's what it's all about, right? Okay. And also, I wanted to introduce you a new product line. And my grandson, his name is Darius, and he has started his own clothing line. And the name of it is One Up Athletics. And here is the logo. Take a look at that. You like that? Okay. So that's the logo. And now I would like to introduce to you, for the first time ever, my grandson and my editor, Darius Welch. Come on out, Darius. Say hello to everybody.
Hey, YouTube. I wanted to let you guys know about my new brand. In case you don't know me, I do the recording for this channel. I do the editing. I do almost everything. She just comes up with the ideas and what she wants to do for the video, and I just make it happen. So I released my own athletic brand, and it's called One Up Athletics. This brand is just a sports brand that supports any type of sports, any fitness. It's all about motivating yourself and pushing yourself to that next level. That's why it's called One Up. And yeah, guys, find us on YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube, One Up Athletics. Subscribe to, follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter as well. So stay tuned for that. Clothing launch is planning on happening it's looking like it's gonna happen around April. So look forward for that launch to happen. And yeah, guys, this is One Up Athletics. One up yourself.
So I have a few questions. Whoa, can I ask you a few questions? Okay, so what kind of clothing will you be carrying?
Well, for this first launch, we're doing t-shirts and tank tops. Okay, I know summer's coming around. This is gonna be my first launch. We're testing everything, seeing how everything's gonna come out, how everything's gonna sell for the first launch. And if everything sells pretty fast, we're gonna do a second launch, and it's gonna be a much bigger launch. We'll have sweatpants, we'll have hoodies, we'll have more size variations, and we're gonna have more color variations. So I'm gonna bring some pretty interesting designs to the table, and I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. Clothing will be top-notch quality, guaranteed.
So, will you be telling us in the future where we can purchase these items from? Because I'm really interested.
Yes, you'll be getting your most updates from following us on Instagram at OneUp Athletics. We will be putting out our clothing launches there. Links will be there. You go to the YouTube channel. On our videos, the website link will be there. So, yes, the website is in productions right now. We're still working on it. And yeah, by the time the launch is out, the website will be up and you guys can place your orders. It will be online, so you can order it from anywhere. Well, anywhere in the US. We don't do international shipping. So
what made you decide to do this, Darius?
I was really into fitness, and I always wanted to build a name for myself and just get a group of people motivated, because in this game of fitness now, it really takes a lot of dedication and support. Really, if you have no support and you're not self-motivated, most likely you're gonna quit. And this is why I created this brand. So once you see somebody else with this brand, you know that you got that support. We all know we're in this together, and yeah, this is what we love to do, and we're here to push each other. So yeah.
Okay, you heard it, YouTube family. I'm gonna ask you to support my grandson. You can see that my grandson is really, really ambitious, and he's got his brand to go out there to you. He's thinking of you, and I'm asking you to support him. You know, I'm asking all my viewers to please go on over to his site. We'll tell it to you one more time, and where you can find his products, and support him 100% like you have done for me. And I appreciate everything that you have done for me and for him, because we love you, YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna let Darius tell you where you can find his product one more time.
Yeah, like I said again, guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram at OneUp Athletics. Same thing for Twitter and Facebook. And for YouTube, subscribe to our channel, OneUp Athletics. Hit that notification bell. We'll be putting up diet videos, workout plans, and tips on just performing better at whatever you need help at. So yeah, guys, this is OneUp Athletics. One up yourself.
And this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and together we thank you.